Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
आफ्टरनून को हमने चार्ज ले लिया है. आई हैव टेकन ओवर टुडे. The government order issued, so in pursuant of that I have taken over.
So what about 5 municipal elections?
See, I am just new, so I have to study the matter.
So how do you see yourself taking this responsibility now and go?
It's a responsibility given by the government, so I will be discharging my duties as per the constitution.
What are your expectations from the Goa government? They will
I
support you?
mean, it's very early. I have just taken 2 hours time. 1 hour भी हुआ नहीं. So we will have a review meeting. Then press briefings will be issued regarding the conduct of election.
पणजी महापालिकेबरोबर सहपालिकांची वेचणूक शनिवारा 20 मार्चाक. या वेचणुकेबरोबर नावेली झेडपी मतदारसंघ आणि वेगवेगळ्या पंचायतींचे एकूण 22 वॉर्डांची पोटवेचणूकय जातली. 22 मार्चाक मतमोजणी. ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.